Hi, this is Rachelle with Scrapcraftastic, and I'm going to be doing a weekly setup in my work planner. My work planner is a DIY half-letter disc-bound planner. The inserts that I use are printable inserts that are available to Scrapcraftastic patron elites. I'm going to be doing the week of the 19th through the 25th. This week includes my birthday as well as Christmas. So let's get started. I'm going to be using the Nutcracker stickers from PLUM Soul Studio. This is just one of the sheets that I have. I will link to a video in the iCard up above where I actually unboxed this, and you can see the other stickers and die cuts that were included, but there's lots of Nutcracker options. I will also possibly be using some of these poinsettia ornaments from Let's Get Planned. The previous week I challenged myself not to use boxes, and I think maybe I will try that again. We shall see how it goes. I didn't pull any washi. I don't want to use the same washi that I've already used, which is this pink. Okay, so these are not at all Christmas washis. So maybe that's a challenge too, to use this washi that has nothing to do with Christmas and see how it turns out. So let's get started. I am going to use this. This is all Simply Gilded washi, by the way. I'm going to use this in the footer, and I'm going to do it like I did the previous week. What is stuck on here? And go just outside of the planning area with the washi tape. I'm going to have to go inside the box with this because the line will show through if I don't, which is fine. Okay, so all of these are vertical washis, so I may use them kind of as checklists, even though the bows are really close together. We'll see how it goes. I do need something up top. And I did use this in one of my monthlies, but I have not used it here. I think I'm going to go to the very top and do kind of the same thing I did with the other one and use the line existing on the page as a guide to where to cut the washi. So like this. All right, now I feel like I need something here. That looks a little odd to me, but I'm gonna roll with it. Let's use this white and silver bows. Okay, I want to put the Nutcracker over here to stand guard. He's standing guard, and I'm totally putting this Christmas tree mostly on Sunday. And I'm gonna put the gifts down here as well. Okay, then I'm going to do the dancers. See if I can get them off carefully. So he will go here. Nope, I like him on the line. And she will go up on the opposite page. I hope I'm not doing something wrong here. Nope, she's got to go right here. Let's look in Pastel Christmas from Michael's Hot Buy paper pads. So here is a Merry Christmas. Why is it so big? It's too big for my space. It's not gonna show up very well either. This Merry Christmas is pretty. It's too big, but it could work. Probably won't be able to see it. I can see it, but yeah, that was not a good idea, but it's done now. I like this strip. Let's see what we can do with this. All right, let me see what this looks like. So we got the stripes up top. Let's do them at the bottom on both sides, just to keep it balanced. So I cut those little pieces. Now let's cut this in half. That spruces it up a little bit. Let's see what other deco we got in here. Okay, I've been saving these, but I think we're gonna use some of these. I think that's what we need, even though the most of the washi tape has silver. I think we need to add some gold. So we're gonna add some gold, and then I am gonna also add a couple of these from these ornaments from Let's Get Planned. So let's put that one there. Put this one here. I think that's all I'm gonna add from that, because I'm gonna go a little nuts with the snowflakes. Okay, I had to remove that Merry Christmas sticker. It was driving me crazy because you couldn't even read half of it. So let's do this instead. This says Merry Christmas to you. I'm gonna cut off the to you part. And then I'm gonna cut this in half. And I'm gonna put Christmas down here and Merry up here. I like that much better. Much better. Okay, let's see what else we can do. This thing with no boxes is a little difficult. Should we try and use some poinsettias? We did the red ones last week. Maybe some pink ones could help this week. I don't know. How am I messing up the spread for my birthday and Christmas? It's just not coming out. Ugh. I just want to see something really quick with the vellum. That won't work. I feel like I need to do something else, but then I also feel like I've done too many strange things. I like it. It just doesn't give me enough of a special look. It just looks average. But I'm going to leave it here. That is the spread. I'm going to leave it here for now and go ahead and put this back in. I use the Nutcracker sticker sheet from Plum Studio. I will link to them in the description box below. I use deco stickers from one of the Michael's Hot Buy sticker books, and I used washi tape from Simply Gilded. I also want to thank you for supporting my channel by watching videos, subscribing, leaving comments. I really appreciate all of it. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, you may be interested in this other video. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.